अच्छा, हमारे पास पेशेंट है, यूट्राइन एनोमली करेक्टेड विथ हिस्टेरोस्कोपी, ठीक है। विच एनोमली इज करेक्टेड विथ हिस्टेरोस्कोपी? सेप्टेट यूट्रस, ठीक है। अब हम इसके बारे में पढ़ते हैं एक्सप्लेनेशन में। सेप्टेट यूट्रस हैज अ फाइब्रस मस्कुलर सेप्टम डिवाइडिंग द कैविटी। इट कैन बी रिसेक्टेड हिस्टेरोस्कोपिकली, ठीक है। तो ये हिस्टेरोस्कोपिकली रिसेक्टेड हो सकती है। मेट्रोप्लासिटी से हम करते हैं हिस्टेरोस्कोपिकली, ठीक है। डायफिलस एंड बाइकार्बोनेट आर फ्यूजन डिफेक्ट एंड नीड लेप्रोटोमी और लेप्रोस्कोपिक रिपेयर। आर्क्यूट इज अ नॉर्मल वेरिएंट, नो ट्रीटमेंट नीडेड, ठीक है। Walt prolapse say 15 years hysterectomy. 15 years after hysterectomy, patient present with something coming out of vagina. Walt prolapse with a mild cystocele and rectocele, ठीक है। तो इसमें क्या करेंगे हम? सेक्रोकार्पोपेक्सी करेंगे प्रोलेप्स में, ठीक है। पोस्टिस्टेक्टमी वाल्ट प्रोलेप्स इज बेस्ट ट्रीटेड बाय abdominal and laparoscopic sacrocolpopexy. It suspended the vaginal wall to sacrum. Anteroposterior repair only treats cystocele and rectocele. Mixture is for uterine prolapse. Colposuspension is for stress urinary incontinence, not for vault, ठीक है। अब हम आ जाते हैं सिस्टोसील प्लस स्ट्रेस इनकंटिनेंस। तो इसकी ट्रीटमेंट क्या है? बर्श कॉल्पोसस्पेशन है, इसके बारे में आप पढ़ते हैं। फॉर को एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टोसील प्लस स्ट्रेस इनकंटिनेंस यूरिन, द क्लास का आंसर इज बर्श कॉल्पोसस्पेशन डन विथ एंटीरियर रिपेयर। बर्श कॉल्पोसस्पेंशन डन विथ एंटीरियर रिपेयर, ठीक है। इन मॉडर्न प्रैक्टिस टीवी TOT rings are more common, but if I am old edition books, brush is answer based, ठीक है। फर्स्ट डिग्री सिस्टोसील प्लरेक्टोसील नो लीकेज। फर्स्ट डिग्री सिस्टोसील और रेक्टोसील लीकेज नहीं है, तो इसमें पेसरी इफ पेशेंट नॉट फिट फॉर सर्जरी, ठीक है। फर्स्ट डिग्री प्रोलेप्स विद नो इनकंटिन्यूस कंजर्वेटिव मैनेजमेंट इज फर्स्ट pelvic floor exercise, पेसरी pelvic floor exercise, pelvic floor exercise, पेसरी सर्जरी इज फॉर सिम्टोमेटिक सेकंड एंड थर्ड डिग्री सर्जरी इज फॉर सिम्टोमेटिक से। अगर फर्स्ट डिग्री प्रोलेप्स विद नो इनकंटिन्यूस कंजर्वेटिव मैनेजमेंट इज pelvic floor exercise, ठीक है। अगर फर्स्ट डिग्री प्रोलेप्स से आपका कोई उसमें सिम्टम्स नहीं है तो फर्स्ट पेल्विक फ्लोर एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। अगर सर्जरी है तो फॉर सेकंड एंड थर्ड डिग्री ऑफ इनकंटिनेंस है तो उसमें सर्जरी करेंगे। सेकंड थर्ड डिग्री इनकंटिनेंस में सर्जरी करेंगे। IVF क्वाड्रा ट्रिपल एट 16 वीक क्वाड्रा ट्रिपल प्रेगनेंसी है, 16 हफ्ते पे हम क्या करेंगे? अब हायर ऑर्डर मल्टीपल प्रेगनेंसी है, हाई रिस्क ऑफ प्रीलेम लेबर, IUGR प्री क्लेम्शिया, इसमें हायर रिस्क है प्री टर्म लेबर का, IUGR का, प्री एक्लेम्शिया का। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज डिटेल्ड काउंसलिंग अबाउट रिस्क एन ऑप्शन इंक्लूड सर्विस सेलेक्टिव फीटल रिडक्शन, डिसीजन इज मेड आफ्टर काउंसलिंग। तो इसमें क्या होता है? पेशेंट को हम काउंसिल करेंगे कि IUGR हो सकता है, प्री क्लेम्शिया हो सकता है, प्री टर्म लेबर हो सकता है, IUGR हो सकता है, प्री क्लेम्शिया हो सकता है, ठीक है। प्री टर्म लेबर हो सकता है, IUGR हो सकता है, प्री क्लेम्शिया हो सकता है। हम उसको डिटेल में काउंसलिंग करेंगे, बताएंगे और सिलेक्टिव फीटल रिडक्शन का भी बताएंगे। ट्विन प्रेगनेंसी है विथ वन ट्विन IUD, इसमें भी हम काउंसलिंग करेंगे, इंपॉर्टेंट है। एंड ट्विन प्रेगनेंसी विथ सिंगल इंट्रायूटाइन डेथ, रिस्क टू सर्वाइविंग ट्विन प्रेगनेंसी ऑन gestation and cause counsel। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज काउंसलिंग अबाउट द रिस्क ऑफ DIC, काउंसलिंग अबाउट रिस्क ऑफ DIC इन्फेक्शन प्री टर्म लेबर, ठीक है। तो हम काउंसलिंग करेंगे इन DIC इन्फेक्शन प्री टर्म लेबर, द प्लेन मॉनिटरिंग कोगुलेशन बेस्ड ऑन gestation। तो उसमें काउंसलिंग करेंगे, पेशेंट को बताएंगे कि इसमें DIC हो सकता है, इन्फेक्शन हो सकता है, प्री टर्म लेबर हो सकता है, ठीक है। IUD at 35 वीक्स। फर्स्ट स्टेप इज साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट। पेशेंट आ गई आपके पास, 35 वीक के बेबी IUD हो गया, आप क्या करेंगे? ब्रेकिंग बेड साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट करेंगे, ब्रेकिंग बेड न्यूज करेंगे विद एम्पैथी, द इन्वेस्टिगेशन कॉज एंड काउंसलिंग एंड प्लान डिटेक्शन। उसके बाद इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड करेंगे और उसको बताएंगे इंडक्शन के बारे में। नेवर जंप स्ट्रेट टू प्रोसीजर विदाउट सपोर्ट, इनफर्टिलिटी शॉक, रिजिड एब्डोमेन, ठीक है। क्या करेंगे? TVS कराएंगे फर्स्ट। Tamoxifen, patient taking tamoxifen now present with abnormal uterine bleeding, investigation of choice, pupil sampling under the TVS guide. Tamoxifen increase risk of endometrial hyperplasia and cancer. Tamoxifen increase risk of endometrial hyperplasia and cancer. and abnormal uterine bleeding on tamoxifen. First line is endometrial sampling to rule out endometrial pathology. Colposcopy for cervical lesion. ठीक है. ब्रेस्ट इन एडवांस स्टेज एट 8 weeks ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, टर्मिनेट प्रेगनेंसी एंड ट्रीट. ठीक है. एक्सप्लेनेशन में पढ़ते हैं एक्सप्लेनेशन पढ़ते हैं. इन अर्ली प्रेगनेंसी लेस देन 14 weeks विद एडवांस ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, टर्मिनेशन इज रिकमेंडेड फर्स्ट बिकॉज कीमो एंड रेडिएशन फर्स्ट ट्राइमेस्टर cause high teratogenicity. After termination, definitive treatment can be started. After termination, definitive treatment can be started. After termination, definitive treatment can be started. First trimester cause high testosterone. After termination, definitive treatment can be started. If greater than 14 weeks, chemo can be given in second and third trimester. अगर 14 हफ्ते के बाद है तो सर कीमो हम दे सकते हैं सेकंड और थर्ड ट्राइमेस्टर में. 2 episodes of mild bleeding at 33 weeks. Hospitalize her and gave Dexa recurrent mild PV bleeding at 33 weeks. Most likely is APH due to placenta previa. Management admit monitor steroid for lung maturity if less than 34 weeks. Cross match no vaginal exam induction is not immediate unless active bleeding. No vaginal exam induction labor C-section is not immediate unless active bleeding and or fetal compromise. ठीक है. एडमिट मॉनिटर स्टीरॉयड फॉर फीटल लंग मेच्योरिटी. एडमिट मॉनिटर स्टीरॉयड फॉर फीटल लंग मेच्योरिटी. एडमिट मॉनिटर स्टीरॉयड फीटल लंग मेच्योरिटी लेस देन 34 क्रॉस मैच नो वजाइनल एग्जाम नॉट इमीडिएट अनलेस द एक्टिव ब्लीडिंग और फीटल कंप्रोमाइज. हम फौरन से जो है ना इंडक्शन नहीं दे देंगे पेशेंट को. तो वो वेट करेंगे ताकि वो थोड़ा टर्म पे पहुंचे थे, थोड़ा है बच्चा मेच्योर हो, फिर हम स्टार्ट करेंगे. ठीक है. तब तक हम उसको स्टीरॉयड दे देंगे. पेराथेरी फैमिली कंप्लीट सीवियर सियान 3 colposcopic biopsy. Severe siatry need colposcopic direct biopsy to confirm the extent before definitive treatment. Since family is complete, long loop excision or cone biopsy can be done. Large loop excision or cone biopsy done after biopsy. Refer to oncology only if invasive CA confirm. oncology को तब भेजेंगे जब invasive CA हो. ठीक है. 28 year पेराटोवोथ मार्टल स्टीनोसिस फर्स्ट डिग्री सिस्टोसील. पेल्विक फ्लोर एक्सरसाइज का बोलेंगे. एक्सप्लेनेशन में बोलते हैं फर्स्ट डिग्री सिस्टोसील. पेशेंट हैज अ कार्डिक डिजीज कंजर्वेटिव फर्स्ट. पेशेंट की कार्डिक डिजीज आप पेरो कंजर्वेटिव इलाज चुंदा से पेल्विक फ्लोर मसल ट्रेनिंग चुंदा से सेफेस्ट सर्जरी पेसरी अवॉइड कंदा से. ठीक है. सर्जरी पेसरी अवॉइडेड अनलेस द सिम्टम्समेटिक एंड कार्डिक स्टेटस अलाउड. अगर हमें लगता है कि सर्जरी की परमिशन मिल जाती है जैसे फिट है पेशेंट तो हम कर लेंगे, वरना छोड़ देंगे. 8 सेंटीमीटर डायलेटेड ARM प्रोलेप्स बॉडी लाइकर 120/80 वाजा प्रीविया. 8 सेंटीमीटर डायलेटेड थी ARM क्या ब्लडी लाइकर आ रहा था, BP सही था. तो इसकी हम एक्सप्लेनेशन पर ARM प्रोलेप्स प्लस ब्लडी लाइकर ए सडन fetal bradycardia was a previa until proven otherwise. Fetal vessels run in membrane and fetal vessels run in membrane and rupture. Fetal vessels run in membrane and rupture. Fetal hemorrhage bradycardia. Fetal vessels run in membrane and rupture. Fetal hemorrhage bradycardia ablation would have a tender rigid abdomen. Rupture would have a severe pain and shock. Misoprostol for miscarriage side effect. Common side effect diarrhea. Misoprostol is a prostaglandin E1 analog. Common side effect diarrhea, abdominal cramp, fever, chill, nausea. Diarrhea, abdominal cramp, fever, chill, nausea, vomiting also common. Bleeding is expected effect, not side effect. Postpartum 4 months back. BP 180 postpartum the 4 months back. BP 180 collapsed and died subarachnoid hemorrhage. Severe hypertension, headache, vomiting, sudden collapse in postpartum most likely is subarachnoid hemorrhage. CVT usually present with seizure, focal deficit over days. Late eclampsia can occur up to 6 weeks. Late eclampsia can occur up to 6 weeks, but 4 months later subarachnoid is more likely. Post-op thromboprophylaxis with 2 risk factors. Post-op thromboprophylaxis, low molecular heparin 7 days, and moderate risk, 2 risk factors, low molecular weight heparin for 7 days, post-op or until mobile, 7 days, low molecular weight heparin 7 days, 4 centimeter after ARM sudden collapse. 4 centimeter after ARM, sudden collapse, amniotic force after sudden amniotic fluid embolism, sudden collapse during labor, and cervical artery, the classic for amniotic fluid embolism, triad, sudden aplasia, hypertension, blood DIC, pulmonary embolism is a more postpartum, pulmonary embolism is more postpartum, pulmonary embolism is more postpartum, metonin, invasion, cause bleeding, not sudden collapse without bleeding, 16-year normal estrogen, breast, 16-year normal estrogen. No pubic hair, male testosterone, uterus present, androgen sensitivity syndrome, androgen sensitivity syndrome, 46 weeks high, tested produce male testosterone, but body is insensitive to androgen, no pubic hair, and exterior estrogen from peripheral consumption cause breast development, molecular structures are regress, absent, sensitivity syndrome, and uterus can be present, meditation regression, uterus is absent, NPAS, uterus can be present, key female phenotype, male testosterone, no pubic hair, ठीक है. Pregnant 28 week OGTT, pregnant patient है, pregnant 28 week OGTT 5.1 to over 7.2, gestational diabetes, GDM. अच्छा, क्राइटेरिया क्या है? अगर FPS ग्रेटर देन 5.1 है एंड 2 आवर ग्रेटर देन 4.5 है तो ये आपकी डायबिटीज, गेस्टेशन डायबिटीज है, ठीक है. प्रीवियस 2 प्रेगनेंसीज विद GDM टेस्ट फॉर डायबिटीज एट 10 वीक्स, OGTT करेंगे. क्यों OGTT क्यों करेंगे? हाई रिस्क पेशेंट शुड बी स्क्रीन अर्लियर और इट इज डायग्नोस्टिस इन प्रेगनेंसी एट एनी gestation. 100 gram is used for 100 gram is used for 3-hour test. HbA1c is not reliable in pregnancy. GCT is screening, not diagnostic. Normal HbA1c is not diabetic, less than 5. Normal HbA1c is not diabetic. Normal HbA1c is 5 point less than 5.5. Normal HbA1c का कितनी है? Less than 5.5. History of 2 traumatic test for diagnosis in this pregnancy. OGTT. Recurrent IUD workup for causes EPILA, thrombophilia, diabetes, infection. Most important is to do early is OGTT to rule out diagnosis GDM, which is a major cause of intrauterine. Also do EPILA, but OGTT is given as answer here. 35-week moderate vaginal bleeding, placenta पर we got the moderate vaginal bleeding, placenta पर management is placenta etolia पर no operations expected is possible, however in I'm contrast with bleeding deliver moderate bleeding at 35 weeks with upper segment placenta, likely abruption effect of bleeding, fetal compromise greater than for a delivery induction of the favorable, unstable C-section if unstable or non-reassuring CTG expect only for mild bleeding and stable. 13 weeks was history of preterm deliveries at 13 week history of preterm deliveries at 22 weeks. 22 weeks history in 12 weeks cervical circulatory recurrent mid-trimester losses with painless cervical dilatation and split cervical incompetence management history indicated circulatory 12 to 14 weeks. Progression circular 12 to 14 weeks. Recurrent mid-trimester losses, recurrent mid-trimester low circulatory. Recurrent trimester losses with painless dilatation cervical recurrent में recurrent second trimester losses with painless recurrent second trimester losses with painless dilatation cervical incompetency induced circulatory 12 to 14 weeks is the treatment of choice progesterone plus अच्छा recurrent second trimester losses with painless dilatation cervical incompetence history indicated circulatory 12 to 14 weeks is treatment of choice progesterone plus TVS are used in short service, not recurrent losses. Progesterone plus TVS length, TVS circulage. In use in short service, not recurrent doses. RH negative at 28 weeks. Husband blood group in RH factor. RH negative 20 prime grade at 28 weeks blood group O negative. Husband blood group in RH factor. Unakha puja kanda 28 weeks RH negative. Woman first check father RH positive. Father RH positive. No receive RH positive unknown. If a positive or non, if a positive or unknown, give entity date positive unknown, give entity 28 weeks do indirect count test entity titer done only if father positive entity titer table kala jemel father positive severe ascites breath severe ascites breath fetal scan edema Severe ascites plus fetal skin edema refer to fetal unit. Severe ascites and skin edema non-inhibitory with a central proven otherwise needs referral fetal medicine for detailed karyotype infection skin cause for recovery of the first not first step antibiotic for immunodrops only. And visual is given patients even ascites and fetal skin edema management refer to fetal unit center. Certificate Kennedy, Mare Vito Maternal Unit, 45-year-old Para 3, 45-year-old Para 0 with 3 first trimester miscarriage chromosomal abnormalities and women greater than 40 years. Most common cause of recurrent first trimester miscarriage is inability due to advanced maternal age. Aplas is a more common for second trimester losses in IUDs. The first trimester due to chromosomal and second trimester due to Aplasia is more for second trimester losses and intrauterine dates. Second trimester losses and intrauterine dates. उसके बाद हमारे पास है 14 weeks history of preterm delivery. At 14 weeks history of one preterm delivery in assisted TVS history of spontaneous preterm birth. Recurrence start with serial TVS for cervical length 14 to 16 weeks if cervical length less than 25. Considered progesterone and cerclage. Considered progesterone and cerclage. Considered progesterone or cerclage. Para 5 term, para 16 to 14 weeks. Para 5 term pregnant baby bleeding plus pain, no fetal cardiac, no para 5 term pregnancy baby bleeding plus pain, no fetal cardiac activity, uterine rupture. MEIG positive, IgG positive, MEIgG positive, IgM positive, also negative, rubella IG positive at 14 weeks. With the side IgG positive, IgM positive, also negative, rubella IgG positive at 14 weeks. Previous child with deafness. MEIG positive in pregnancy, recent primary facial risk of congenital deafness, ischemic and IgRCNS anomalies first stable detail anomalies scan at 20 weeks. Referral to fetal also needed, but the anomaly scan is the immediate next fetal ecopharobilla, not for cyto. Fetal ecopharobilla, not for cyto. A fetal first step is the detailed anomaly scan and serial growth scan referred to is also needed, but anomaly scan is first taken in case LHF is short height. Karyotype karyotype कराएंगे से in high LH and FSH ovarian failure, short height ovarian failure in female, in high LH and FSH ovarian failure, high LH and FSH ovarian failure, high LH and FSH, high LH and FSH ovarian failure, high LH and FSH ovarian failure, short height ovarian failure in female, think Turner syndrome. A diagnostic ultrasound formula anomalies AMH for ovarian reserve, but karyotype is the first year. 33 weeks ITP platelet 40,000, 33 week ITP platelet 40,000 in C-section. Outer platelet transfusion ITP target platelet count C-section is greater than 50,000 for less than give platelet less than 50 give platelet transfusion immediately pre-op platelet lasts only few hours. Platelet lasts only few hours, only few, so 3 to 5 hours before C-section is 3 to 5 hours, 3 to 5 hours is the ideal, 3 to 5 days is the wrong because transfer platelet will be 3 to 5 days is the wrong because transfer platelet will destroy 3 to 5 days before C-section. Then the ideal, the platelet lasts only few hours, so 3 to 5 hours before C-section is the ideal. The before C-section, 3 to 5 hours before C-section. Platelet transfusion 3 to 5 days, 3 to 5 hours before, 3 to 5 hours before the third days आने चाहिए ठीक है. Platelet transfusion ITP target platelet concentration section is greater than 50,000, greater than 50,000 far less than 50,000 give platelet transfusion immediately pre-op platelet does only few hours, so 3 to 5 hours before C-section, 3 to 5 hours before C-section ठीक है, not days. Diameter is obstetric diameter. Short is obstetric conjugate from sacromegaly to 1.5 cm below upper border of symphysis. This is the shortest centrifugal diameter through which fetal head passes two conjugate is longer. Two conjugate is longer. Diagonal conjugate. Two conjugate is longer. Diagonal is clinically measured. Anemia, middle cerebral artery, fetal anemia, seen in blood flow, middle cerebral artery in fetal anemia, compass 20, brain sparing occur, increase the systolic flow, increase MCA, increase emotional Doppler validating fetal anemia, especially in RHI, so immunization, umbilical artery show increase, and IOGR, mumps at 8 weeks, parotid, bilateral parotid swelling, Mumps in pregnancy does not congenital malformation like rubella. Main issue is parotitis, pancreatitis, oophorytis, TK, parotitis, pancreatitis, oophorytis, postmenopausal 7 years, postcoital, postmenopausal 7 years, postcoital bleeding, atrophic vaginitis, most common cause of postmenopausal bleeding, postmenopausal elderly, atrophic vaginitis due to estrogen deficiency, then febrile mucosa bleed easily, but CS cervix and endometrium must always be CA cervix and endometrium must always be CA cervix and endometrium must always be ruled out both exam, ultrasound and biopsy. Requirement 30 to 40 milligram per day, 30 to 60 millimeter iron daily pregnancy. Many handbook use 30 to 40 milligram. Basal dose 1 to 2 milligram per day. Pregnancy need 3 to 4 milligram per day. Fetal placental 1 gram, so 30 to 60 milligram per day is recommended to prevent iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia. 120 is for treatment of anemia. 120 is for 3 to 60. Needed 3 to 4 milligram fetal placental and 30 limited iron per day recommend to prevent iron deficiency anemia. Allah. Basal dose 1 to 2 milligram per day. Pregnancy needed 3 to 4 milligram per day. Fetal placental 1 gram total. So 30 to 60 milligram elemental iron per day is recommended to prevent iron deficiency anemia. 120 milligram is for treatment of anemia. Prevent current lysis 30 to 60. Answer is 30 to 40 milligram per day. Database resistant data pushaka is database resistant. Gentamicin is an aminoglycoside resistance common alternative to third generation cephalosporin and piperacillin. Again, resistance uses cephalosporin and penicillin. A school girl missing school due to heavy menses and serum tranexamic acid, 70-year-old with urgency. Nocturia, anticholinergic urgency. Nocturia is a daily overactive bladder. First line is anticholinergic oxybutynin and sulfonylurea TCA used for back pain, cholinergic worsen overactive bladder. Shortest anterior posterior diameter of pelvis is opposite shortest anterior posterior diameter is optical conjugate. Shortest anterior posterior diameter optical conjugate. Optical conjugate from sacrum 21.5 cm below the this is the clinically important. Shortest anterior posterior diameter less than the once the two conjugate is longer. Diagonal conjugate is two conjugate is longer. Diagonal conjugate what we measures on fetal animals in CML Doppler artery at 8 weeks. Bilateral parotid swelling, postmenopausal 7 years, postcoital bleeding, atrophic vaginitis, iron requirement 30 to 40 milligram, gestation resistance, methanoaminonucleosides, gram negativity, F resistant, yearly switch, the F resistant, yearly switch, third degree generation, cephalosporin or piperacillin. Girl missing school due to heavy menses, methylamic acid, menses, other gens anticholinergic. Atomisoprostol, diarrhea, amenorrhea after induced abortion, Asherman syndrome, previous history of preterm labor, now frequent contraction to cholesterol and steroid, previous one analysis, now 28 weeks. How to terminate low dose misoprostol, low dose misoprostol, HPV vaccine, hepatitis B vaccine 01 and 6, pre-op antibiotic 30 minutes before C-section, bleeding treatment, C-section. Common replacement, common indication, climatic symptoms, fetal violin deficiency, JKPC resistance, specimen, severe sclerosis, colposcopy, mild cystocele, rectocele, urine symptoms, brush colpo suspension, acute leukemia to or HELP syndrome. It was about management key difference, help needed delivery and leukemia needed Referral, postpartum blues and depression. Postpartum blues occur in 50 to 80% of women. There's 3 to 10 postpartum mild self-limiting need reassurance. Postpartum depression can occur up to 1 to 2 years. And 1 to 2 years. 3 to 10 days, 1 to 2, 1 year to greater than 2 weeks needs antidepressant and psychotherapy is better previous aspiration poor support needs antidepressant and psychotherapy need antidepressant and psychotherapy a drug with maximum anti and facial defect sodium valproate increase cognitivity of defect valproate increase risk of valproate increase risk of neurality of defect facial dysmorphism cardiac defect neurality of defect neurality of defect facial dysmorphism cardiac neurality of defect neurality of defect facial dysmorphism cardiac defect neurality of defect facial dysmorphism neurality of defect 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 facial dysmorphism neurality of defect neurality of defect neurality of defect facial dysmorphism cardiac defect neurality of defect facial dysmorphism cardiac defect neurality of defect neurality of risk of neurality of defect facial defect cardiomorphism neurality of defect facial defect neurality of defect facial defect neurality of defect facial dysmorphism neurality of defect facial dysmorphism neurality of defect facial defect neurality of defect neurality of defect facial dysmorphism neurality of defect facial dysmorphism neurality of defect facial dysmorphism neurality of defect neurality of defect neurality of defect facial dysmorphism cardiac defect neurality of defect neurality of defect neurality of defect refers the neurality of defect facial dysmorphism neurality of defect neurality of symptoms neurality of defect facial dysmorphism cardiac defect limb defect cognitive impairment fetal and fetal hydrated syndrome carpingism pain neurality of defect expressed less than valproate